everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look then go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, make sure that you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, and then comment down below if you are located in the United States to be automatically entered. To prime my eyes, I used my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I used a lighter shade because I am using it as a base, so I used the shade Cotton Candy, and I just applied it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I went ahead and set everything with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Disney MULAN palette from ColourPop Cosmetics, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used this palette a few times and I absolutely love it. I love the different color options and it just has really good pigmentation. So the first shade that I went in with is Fighter, and I just used that shade as my transition shade. So I just put that in my crease with a big fluffy brush, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And like I said in the title, I am only using 2 eyeshadows to create this entire look. The other shade that I'm using is Honor. It's a very cool tone, light brown matte eyeshadow, and I picked that up with a defined angled brush first. And if you guys are new to my channel, then you wouldn't know that I like to use a defined angled brush to add depth in my crease, because I just like how specific the placement of the shadow is with a defined angled brush. And I always go in with a big fluffy blending brush right after, and I go in with my transition shade and I just buff that line out. But I really like how it just allows me to be very precise with where I'm applying that deeper shade, and then I always go in and blend it out. So that's what you see me doing here. And then I went back into the shade Honor, but I grabbed it with a flat brush and I just packed that shade all over my eyelid. And I really like this technique because it looks like I used more than 2 shades, but I have a very nice defined crease and it just has a lot of dimension to the look. Next, I just added some mascara to my lashes just to show you guys what my lashes look like for falsies. This is the style that I'm going to go in with from Sofie Bella. It's in the style Bahama. I'll always leave a link in the description box down below, but this is actually my favorite style at the moment. And Sofie Bella is our lash brand. And this is what the lashes look like on. And then I went back into the shade Honor and I just applied that to my lower lash line, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some mascara to my lower lashes, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this really simple and easy tutorial. If you did, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!